On your Mac, every container you run shares a single kernel. Tools like Docker Desktop boot one Linux virtual machine and pack all your containers inside it. They're separated by namespaces, but they sit side by side on the same kernel in the same VM. If one breaks out, it's right next to all the others. Apple's new open source tool, simply called Container, takes a different approach. It gives every container its own lightweight virtual machine, its own kernel, its own root file system, its own isolated world. The boundary between two containers isn't a namespace anymore. It's a hardware-level virtualization wall. Written in Swift and optimized for Apple Silicon, each micro VM boots fast and runs standard OCI-compatible images, so you can still pull and run anything from a normal registry. The payoff is sandboxing by default. A compromised or runaway container stays contained inside its own VM. A breakout stops at that wall instead of reaching everything else on your machine. That makes it a natural fit for running untrusted code, or the AI-generated code your coding agents produce, without betting your whole environment on namespace isolation. It runs natively on macOS 26 on Apple Silicon, and it's built on Apple's open Containerization Swift package, so the whole stack is inspectable. It's already passed 43,000 stars and climbing the GitHub Trending charts. So, would you give every container its own VM? Check the link in the description to learn more, and subscribe and like to keep up with the latest AI and dev trends.